Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Rob, and Rob, as you may remember, while we did I believe we did a surgery day video or a video after his 1 year result. He's had 2 surgeries, both adding consecutively more and more density throughout the top of his head. And I'll put some before pictures there so you can see what his original looks like. But tell me, Rob, after 2 procedures now, being 1 year after the second procedure, how do you feel about your results?
I got hair. Look at that.
Wow. Rob, if I can have you...
Good.
Can I have you hold it there just for 1 second? Yep. Perfect. Perfect. And bring up your head a little. There we go. There we go. Yep. I'm just cutting off the top of it. There we go.
Sure.
And down a little further if you would, and just kind of hold right there. Perfect. Look at the difference between that and where he started from, and then after even at first surgery and second surgery. So this is a really great video for people to see kind of the progression of results that you can get. How does it translate for you in terms of, do you feel more confident about your hair with the density now?
Absolutely. Coming from a complete bald Norwood 6 guy.
Unbelievable.
A lot better.
And to know it's permanent as well. It's going to be there forever, and that's just really, really cool. Any issues with the scar in the back? Anybody?
None.
Okay.
Zero.
Perfect. People think it's natural. Does it feel like it's, you're putting it?
Nobody's even said anything about it.
Awesome. And I gotta tell you, it makes you look a lot younger to have the hair, so.
It does.
Awesome, man. Well, from somebody that's been through it twice, you think all the work you went through, all the waiting that you went through, you think it was worth it?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
You do it again, you tell people to do it. Okay. Excellent. It's always good to have people validate the process. So, again, thank you so much for showing your result, and looking forward to seeing how it changes your life in a positive way. Thanks, Rob. Yep. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.